Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today we are diving deep into a piece of cookware that's seen a serious resurgence in modern kitchens, and for good reason. We're talking about cast iron, and specifically, the commercial Chef 2-in-1 5QT Dutch oven with a 10.25-inch skillet lid. This product promises versatility, durability, and the timeless cooking performance that cast iron is known for. So, let's break down if it lives up to the hype. This isn't just a Dutch oven. The design here is clever. You get a 5-quart Dutch oven, but that lid isn't just a lid. It's also a 10.25-inch skillet. This means you can sear your steak in the lid, then transfer it to the Dutch oven for a slow braise, all in the same pan. Or, use the pan alone for soups, stews, or even baking a loaf of bread. This dual functionality is a huge selling point, especially if you're looking to maximize your cookware without cluttering your cabinets. Now, let's talk about the seasoning. This commercial Chef Dutch oven comes pre-seasoned with 100% vegetable oil. This is important because it means it's ready to use right out of the box, and it gives you that natural, non-stick surface that cast iron is famous for. The instructions are clear: hand wash with a gentle detergent and dry thoroughly. They specifically mention no synthetic coatings, which is a plus for those who prefer natural cooking surfaces. Proper care and maintenance are key with cast iron, and this pre-seasoning gives you a great head start. Compatibility is another area where cast iron truly shines, and this Dutch oven is no exception. It works on absolutely all cooktops, including induction, gas, electric, and even glass stovetops. Beyond the stovetop, the skillet lid is also oven and broiler safe, adding another layer of culinary flexibility. Whether you're simmering a sauce on the burner or finishing a casserole in the oven, this cookware can handle it. But the versatility doesn't stop there. This set is also explicitly designed for outdoor cooking. Imagine taking this to your next camping trip or using it over a grill or campfire. Cast iron's even heating and superior heat retention make it ideal for the unpredictable nature of outdoor fires and grills. This feature really expands its use beyond just your everyday kitchen tasks, making it a fantastic companion for the adventurous cook. One practical consideration for any heavy cookware is how easy it is to handle. The commercial Chef Dutch oven features integrated one-piece handles. This design isn't just about aesthetics, it's about safety and convenience. These handles are designed to help you transport your hot, family-sized recipes smoothly and safely from the stovetop or oven to your dinner table. They also offer a convenient option for hanging storage, which can be a real space saver in any kitchen. Now, for the pros. The 2-in-1 functionality is undeniably a major advantage, offering two essential pieces of cookware in one. The pre-seasoning means you can start cooking immediately. Its universal cooktop compatibility, including induction and oven use, makes it incredibly adaptable. And for those who love to cook outdoors, its campfire and grill readiness is a huge bonus. The integrated handles, while seemingly simple, add a significant layer of usability and safety. However, no product is perfect, and we should consider the cons. Cast iron is heavy, and this Dutch oven is no exception. Lifting and maneuvering it, especially when full, can be a challenge for some. While it comes pre-seasoned, like all cast iron, it will require ongoing seasoning and care to maintain its non-stick properties and prevent rust. This isn't a set-it-and-forget-it kind of cookware, it requires a little effort. Also, while the skillet lid is a great feature, its 10.25-inch size might be a bit small for searing larger cuts of meat for a family. In conclusion, the commercial Chef 2-in-1 5QT Dutch oven with its 10.25-inch skillet lid is a highly versatile and robust piece of cookware. It bridges the gap between indoor and outdoor cooking, offering excellent heat retention and even cooking. For home cooks who appreciate the durability and performance of cast iron and are looking for a multifunctional option, this set is definitely worth considering. It's a tool that can become a trusted workhorse in your kitchen and your adventures. Link in the description.